zoo, gallops fast. I is for iguana, green and slow. J is for jellyfish, floaty and bright. K is for kangaroo, hopping along. L is for lion, brave and bold. M is for monkey, swinging free. N is for narwhal, the unicorn of the sea. O is for owl, awake at night. P is for penguin, waddling around. Q is for quail, quick and neat. R is for rabbit, soft and shy. S is for snake with the silent hiss. T is for tiger, orange and black. U is for urchin, prickly and small. V is for vulture, soaring high. W is for whale, who sings a song. X is for X-ray fish, shiny and clear.